Once upon a time, there was a little boat named Ocean Whisper. This boat wasn't just any boat. It was owned by a kind fisherman named Elias. Every morning, Elias would take his boat out to sea, not just to catch fish, but to connect with the beautiful, vibrant underwater world that lived beneath him. Beneath the surface lived a bustling community of sea creatures. There were the playful clownfish, the wise old sea turtle, and even the tiny shrimp who worked tirelessly to keep the reef clean. They all lived together in harmony, relying on one another to keep their home, a vast underwater paradise, healthy and thriving. Elias understood the importance of balance. He always took only what he needed and made sure his nets didn't harm the coral or trap creatures he didn't intend to catch. He often whispered to the ocean, "Thank you for providing, and I promise to protect you in return." The underwater creatures admired Elias for his kindness. They could feel his respect and care, and in their own way, they helped him. Dolphins guided him to schools of fish, and the wise turtle once led him to safety during a fierce storm. But one day a different kind of boat appeared. It was much larger and didn't care about the balance of the ocean. Its massive nets scraped the ocean floor, destroying coral reefs and taking everything in its path, far more than it needed. The underwater world was in chaos. The once vibrant reef turned dull and lifeless, and the sea creatures were left without their home. Elias knew he had to act. He gathered others from his village, and together they decided to protect the ocean. They petitioned to ban harmful fishing practices and worked to clean up the damaged reefs. Slowly, life began to return. Through kindness and care, the little boat and the community helped restore balance to the ocean. The sea creatures thrived once more, and Elias continued to whisper his thanks to the ocean, knowing that harmony with nature is a two-way promise. The story of Ocean Whisper reminds us all. The ocean provides us with so much, but it's up to us to care for it in return. Whether we're on the water or far from it, our choices ripple through the world just like waves. Will your ripples bring harmony or harm? Protect our oceans. The choices we make today shape tomorrow.